फ्रेंड्स नमस्कार, मैं मिथिलेश चौधरी। आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि रेलवे में जो लगने वाला डब्ल्यू बीम है, जिसको सिंगल साइड डबल बीम बोला जाता है। सिंगल साइड डबल बीम, सिंगल साइड डबल बीम का मतलब ये होता है कि जैसे आप मान लीजिए कि आपका ये एक आपका बीम हो गया और एक दूसरा ये बीम हो गया, ठीक है। ये दो बीम हो गया और ये आपका पोस्ट हो गया, इसको पोस्ट बोलते हैं। तो आपका ये जो बीम है, ये बीम हो गया, ठीक है सर। ये डब्ल्यू बीम बोलते हैं, डब्ल्यू बीम बोलते हैं। डब्ल्यू बीम का मतलब है कि इसका जो शेप होता है, इस तरह का शेप होता है, इसको डब्ल्यू बीम बोला जाता है। सिंगल साइड डबल बीम, सिंगल साइड कभी भी रेलवे प्रोजेक्ट में सिंगल साइड डबल बीम क्या इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। इन द रेलवे प्रोजेक्ट देयर इज ए यूज्ड single side double beam metal cross barrier. Suppose now we explain single side double beam cross barrier. So first, suppose you want a quantity of the per kilometer, right? So like suppose how much double beam required for per kilometer. So there is what is the thickness of the W beam? The thickness is a 2m, right? And length is each W beam length is as per drawing and as per specification as per railway 4318 mm, मतलब 4.318 mm. 4318 mm is a length and 2 mm the thickness. And 500 numbers will come per kilometer. 500 numbers will come per kilometer. This is a W beam. So will come 500 numbers. W beam is required for per kilometer. Okay. Second thing is a post. So what is the dimension of the post? First you ask. First you know what is the thickness of the, what is the dimension of post. So there is a 4 mm is a thickness of the post and 75 by 150 by 2700 means 2700. This is a cross section. 4 by 75 by 150 is a cross section and the length is a 2700 mm. This is a standard for railway. And the next thing is a post bolt slot. What is a post bolt slot? This is a slot of the post holes. The holes 19 by 64 dia. 19 mm into 64 is a bolt slot for the W beam. And each post will come the 2 holes. Okay. Then next is a spillet bolt slot. Size is 23 into by 64 mm. 8 holes will come each post in the W beam. And a spring washer, how much quantity will come the per kilometer? A spring washer will come 1126 numbers will come the per kilometer for the railway single side double beam cross barrier. Okay. Then the bend angle. There is a bend angle on the W beam, the 55 degree, and the radius will come 24. Next one, Round bolt, what is the dimension of the round bolt? Round bolt dimension is a 40 by 16. 16 is a dia and a 14 mm is a length. And the total quantity will come 4150 numbers per kilometer will come for double beam, single side, double beam crash barrier for the railway project will come. राउंड बोल्ट विल कम, जिसको हम लोग बॉटम बोल्ट भी बोलते हैं, राउंड बोल्ट भी बोलते हैं. टोटल विल कम 4150 numbers per kilometer will come. Understand? Next thing is a post distance. What is the distance of post? Suppose this is a post. This and this distance will come. How much will come? So 2000 mm means 2. Each distance, post distance will come the 2 meters will come. Post to post distance will come 2 meters. Okay. Then next thing say what you want post grounding inside. Suppose there is a post length is a totally post. This post length is a totally how much? 2700 mm. So open area is a 1500 mm will come, like 1500, and the inside in the grounding 1200 mm. Understand? Suppose you take a post is a 2700 mm. The open area is only 2700, and inside in the grounding will go 1200 mm. 1200 mm. Okay. And open area distance, how to maintain the W beam? How to maintain the W beam inside area? So inside area, how to maintain the W beam? So first thing, suppose open area is 1500, right? So open area is 1500, so there is a maintain, suppose this is a open area. So first total distance is a 1500 mm is a open area. So first from the top leave the 150 mm, right? Then fix there is a W beam. W beam there is a fixed 330 mm wide. 330 mm wide is a W beam. Okay. Then again we will maintain the gap 400 mm. Again we will maintain the 400 mm. Okay. Then we will come again W beam. Again you maintain the 400 mm, right? Understand? So 330, how much will come? 330 plus 330 plus 800 plus 150. So approximately total will come the here gap maintain there is a 14 mm. So like this we will maintain the gap or the W beam crash barrier. And grounding, suppose this is a grounding. For holding purpose, how much dia is required? Minimum dia is 300 mm. And which type of grade? Which grade is used for the concreting? So M20 is used in the concreting. So if any requirement of the W beam crash barrier anywhere for railway project, please contact us 9652998932. Our contact number is noted 9652998932. And our email address is info@sandhyaflex.com. And our website is www.sandhyaflex.com. इसी के साथ मैं आपसे विदा लेना चाहूँगा।